in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
We're getting into match 12 in the lower bracket. This means that the losing alliance will be eliminated, so this match is high pressure for both alliances. So far in the autonomous, there are 3 coral in the level 4. Looks like the Big Ten are doing a steal in the red alliance side successfully, taking it away from Chips. 323 are going to go ahead and put that coral into the top, while 324 Chips are going to go ahead and also score 28-48. The Rangers are going to throw that algae in and out of that barrage drop. The Big Ten scores there successfully. 9140 were about to score that coral but had changed their mind, but now they changed it back and have scored it. 2840 are going to go ahead and take that algae out from the reef and probably going to go and take it to their barrage to score. 9140 dumping coral off. Same thing as Energy Heroes. Big Ten still scoring more algae into the top. Same thing as 2848. Kicking that algae over towards the blue lights, where Energy Heroes also kick that algae back like it's a game of FIFA. We have the Big Ten taking that algae back to the barge over here. We have 2848 putting more algae into the barge. 324 putting coral into that coral reef. All 6 alliances focusing on offense here, trying to get that score up. We have a close score of 102 to 122 with 1 minute and 12 seconds still remaining. Things can still happen for both alliances here. 324 picking up coral off the ground. We see 9140 putting more coral onto the coral reef here. Big Ten also picking coral up from the ground. 2848 doing their thing with the algae and putting that into the barge. We have 5892 Energy Heroes putting coral onto that coral reef at the same time as the Big Ten. We have 9140 also doing the same. 5892 looks like they have a bit of a coral stuck inside their bot. We'll see what they do. Looks like they're going to go ahead and play some defense for the meantime, while Lights Out is going to ignore them and put that coral into that coral reef. 5892 slamming it into that coral station onto the red side of the field, blocking 2848 from picking up coral, but that's fine because they're just going to go ahead and grab that algae from the floor anyways. 9140, the RoboBots are going to go and grab that coral from that human station. Blue Alliance coral field looks almost completely filled. We have 15 seconds left on the clock into the end game. 9140 is grabbing onto that cage. Probably going to go ahead and climb in just a moment. Same thing as the Big Ten. Energy Heroes are parked up. RoboBots are up into the air. Lights Out. Looks like they're grabbing onto their cage. We have Big Ten also climbing, and that's the end. It's going to be a Blue Alliance victory here with a score of 218 to 166. Blue Alliance is going to go ahead and move on to the match 13 lower bracket. However, let's congratulate Alliance 6 for their great performance here today. 323 Lights Out, 2848 Rangers, 324 Chips, and 5431 Titan Robotics.